Namaskar. My heartfelt birthday wishes to Mananiya Pradhan Mantri Shri Narendra Modi ji. I pray and wish for his great health and long life, which of course is every true Indian's ritual. I am fortunate to have this great opportunity to extend my wishes and express my feelings for Modi ji at 70. When anyone asks me about one quality of Shri Modi ji that is enchanting or motivating, I am really flustered. I always say he is my institution of nationalism. Picking out only one good trait of such a huge institution is nothing short of searching for a needle in the haystack. But let me gather myself and Musharraf to give one of the several qualities of him that inspired me. The nation is already aware of his immaculate administration skills, his nationalism, humanity, selflessness, and his spirituality. I have met Modi ji 3 to 4 times in person. On few occasions in the corridors of the parliament, he always called out, "Arvind, kaise ho aap?" And he remembered important points of our previous conversation, inquired about the updates. He never forgets to inquire how my Arvind Dharmapuri Foundation is running and how many children are treated till date. I go totally speechless. How can a Prime Minister randomly remember a Sadharan Karyakarta like me? What had been discussed previously? One can attribute this to his meditative powers or concentration levels. But there is something more than this, his humility and empathy towards others. This has totally motivated me to become a better person and a Karyakarta and a compassionate nationalist. Thank you.